F5 NGINXaaS for Google Cloud is a fully managed SaaS load balancing and application delivery services solution developed by F5 in collaboration with Google. It is tightly integrated with Google Cloud, helping unlock highly custom and unique app delivery scenarios and use cases with fine-grained policy control deployed in proximity to your applications, all without the operational burden of managing the underlying infrastructure. In this demo, we'll show you how to create your first deployment, from initial networking setup to enabling the service to handle traffic. Go to the Google Cloud Marketplace. Search for NGINXaaS and click F5 NGINXaaS for Google Cloud. Click Subscribe. Review the order summary, agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, then click Subscribe again. After completing the order, you will be redirected to the NGINX as a Service Google Cloud console. This shows you have successfully purchased NGINX as a service from F5. Now let's return to Google Cloud. Before creating the deployment, it's important to establish the network foundation. Navigate to the VPC network, choose Create VPC, and enter a name. In the Subnets section, give a name and set the target region here. NGINXaaS currently supports specific regions. Choose one of the supported regions listed for your geography when you create the VPC and network attachment. Then, specify the subnet IP range for backend traffic, and finally ensure that firewall rules permit inbound traffic. Next, click Create to set up the VPC and subnet. Next, create the network attachment through Private Service Connect. Navigate to Network Services, then click Private Service Connect, then Network Attachments. Then select Create Network Attachment and enter a name. Select the VPC, making sure to choose the same region, then select the subnet you created earlier. Enable Automatically Accept Connections for all projects. Click Create and copy the network attachment ID. It will be needed during deployment. The next step happens in the NGINXaaS console. Sign into the console and choose your geography. First, create an NGINX configuration by navigating to the Configuration section and clicking on Add Configuration. Give a name to the configuration. You can choose the F5 NGINXaaS default or bring your own config. For the demo, let's select the default configuration. Click Add to save the configuration. Under Deployments, choose Add Deployment and assign a name. Paste the network attachment ID in the Cloud Details section, select the desired configuration, and submit the deployment. After a short provisioning period, the service is ready. To route traffic, a network endpoint group must be created. For that, let's go to the deployment and copy the service attachment ID, which we need to create the network endpoint group. In the Google Cloud Console, go to Network Endpoint Groups and create a new network endpoint group. Give a name and set the type to Private Service Connect NEG. Choose Publish Service as the target and paste the service attachment from the deployment details. The producer port remains at 80 for this demo. Select the VPC and subnet, then save the configuration. With the network endpoint group in place, the service can be exposed through a load balancer. Navigate to Network Services, then select Load Balancing and click on Create Load Balancer. Select the load balancer type as Network Load Balancer. Next, select Proxy Load Balancer. Then choose whether it's public-facing or internal, and finally select whether it's a global or regional deployment. Once that's done, the next step is to configure your load balancer. Give it a name, select the same region as your VPC and network attachment, and choose the VPC. Next, add the proxy subnet or configure it if you're doing it for the first time. Next, configure the backend. Select Private Service Connect Network Endpoint Group as the backend type and choose the previously created network endpoint group. Move to the front end. Set the port to match the backend, in this case 80. Review the configuration, then finalize the load balancer. Once everything is in place, open a browser and navigate to the public IP assigned to the load balancer. You should see the default NGINX landing page, confirming end-to-end connectivity between the client, the load balancer, the network endpoint group, and your NGINXaaS deployment. And that's it. We've successfully deployed NGINX as a service on Google Cloud, created a VPC and network attachment, set up the deployment, configured the network endpoint group, and established external access with a proxy load balancer. This provides a secure, high-performance, and fully managed way to deliver modern applications at scale. Thank you for watching this demo.